Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good to see you all back. Today I would like to talk to you about Redbubble and how I have been doing so far. I had recently provided you an update in December. After December, once that year was up, I actually wanted to stock take and see how I was doing. Let me just give you a brief if you already don't know. I started with Redbubble last year in August, and I could say that it's almost 6 months now that I have been on Redbubble, and it has been a fulfilling journey so far, and I have learned a lot of things along the way, and in this video I would like to share with you. First of all, let me give you an update from what happened after I posted my last video in January regarding my 2021 sales and my experience. If you have not already watched that video, do click on the link above, and that I will provide the link in the description box also, so you can have a look from there. Okay, last time I made a video on Redbubble earnings to show how I did for 2021. After that video, I made some sales, and I'm going to share with you what other observations, and so yeah, so let's start. After last Redbubble video, I made one sale in January, and in February there are some sales, so 3 to 4 sales in February. So in January, I sold a sticker. In February, I sold a greeting card. I sold a fitted mask, and I sold a postcard. And I had increased my profit margin after December also, because I realized that I was still stuck at the 20% margin. So I actually increased my sticker prices. I increased my t-shirt prices. I increased the profit margin by quite a bit, maybe about 10-15%. And for stickers, I actually increased it to 150%. So I actually saw a good improvement when I did that, because when I made a sticker sale initially, yeah, as I was getting just about 60 cents for my sale, I actually got $1 plus. So that is actually a huge improvement. And in Redbubble, since you're getting commissions, every cent counts, so that was actually quite good. So if you have not played around with your profit margins, if you're getting sales, try playing around with your profit margin, and you will see that you will get to your payout threshold quite fast and make much more. Okay, and now let me tell you what are the designs that sold. February Valentine's Day was huge, but I actually only sold one postcard, and that was kind of like very, very loosely related to Valentine's Day, not made for Valentine's Day at all, and it was made a long time back. Initially I started, it's not so long back, it's only 6 months since I started, but no, that design was very, very old according to the time frame. So I have fairly new designs for Valentine's Day. I actually planned on it, but they did not do as well. Maybe because the designs were not there long enough, maybe, or the tagging. I need to check the tagging also. So the image that the card I sold was very, very loosely related to Valentine's Day, and good. It was a good thing that I managed to sell that. And then and I need to tell you guys that all my sale came organically, and all of them came from Google. So it actually shows you that it is very, very important that you pay attention to your title and pay attention to your tagging. Redbubble sending traffic to my store, I have not seen much of an improvement, but Google, I have seen a lot of improvement. Last time I checked that why my listings were not showing up, I actually saw that a lot of my listings were shadow banned. Shadow banned in the sense that they were not getting indexed by Google. There was no index code that was written by that was inserted by Redbubble. I don't know why, but yeah, so I was actually shadow banned, and as I didn't give up and I continued posting designs, I saw that initially from 13 results that were showing up when I searched for my URL for my name. So for now it actually shows, as of today I see about 222 results, so that is actually pretty good. And I see that I keep showing up in the sub niches or subcategories of other best-selling designs. So that is actually also good, that it will actually, if the customer is scrolling down and seeing my design, if they like it, they could actually come from there. So indirectly I'm getting traffic from other sources as well. So from what I have noticed, these are the few things that you can actually improve upon to make sales improvement. One is to keep uploading. As of today I have over 1000 designs, 1006 designs on my website, on my Redbubble website. And this 1000 designs I have created, it has evergreen niches, it has trending niches. But I have to tell you this, I have not made a single sale that I have worked towards trending niches. Not a single sale. Okay, all my designs that I have sold has been evergreen designs that I have created some time back, not new designs that I have created thinking about the niches or keeping the niches in mind. No. So a lot of things that I have sold, that the things that I have sold actually came from evergreen niches. So what I am thinking of doing for the next few months, because I am thinking of giving an update every quarterly. So maybe every 3 months I'll give an update on how I'm doing with this store. And what I want to do for this store next, for looking at the traffic and looking at the kind of sales I'm making, I'm going to focus. I'm going to focus a lot on evergreen niches. Okay, I'm going to put. I'm going to start a few other shops that I want to do based on trending niches. I don't want to put all my evergreen niches and trending niches together. So this is what I'm thinking. Currently I have another niche store dealing with minimal designs, and I would not like to share that store here, because I have literally not started seeing sales there, even though I have over 200 designs already uploaded. But what I'm seeing is that traffic is coming in. So I would like to do more experiments with that shop and see how it comes along. I might not reveal that shop because I don't want people copying. And this is my general store, so that is and I have put this as an experiment shop. So this is why I'm sharing this shop with you guys. So I'm learning a lot from this, and I'm going to like catapult or like snowball this learning experience into opening of other shops. So in trending niches, those things that are broader abroad and I can focus on, I'm going to start new shops based on that. And this store, Custom Print SG, I'm going to keep it as a general store, and I will keep updating designs. My goal is to have about 2500 designs for this Custom Print SG, and I'm going to achieve that by July, maybe July or August of this month. I have not planned it out as yet, but I'm working on it. And I would like to open another 3 shops that is niche related, and the planning is in progress also. So that is what I am seeing myself doing, guys. So one more thing I want to let you all know, that the amount of favorites you receive, the amount of likes you get, it has got nothing to do with the kind of sales that you will make. I have spoken with a few, and the likes and all, we can get it, but the sales, it actually depends on how much you get found, how much the quality of the quality of your designs, and the relevance of the designs also actually matters. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. And till then, thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for listening to my rant, as I call it. And I will try to give you updates of if I have any, like overwhelming updates I want to provide you. I will provide you with another video. Otherwise, another update will come in another 3 months, I hopefully. So thank you all so much for watching. See you. Bye bye.